Hello, hope you are good. This is your admin panel, WordPress admin panel. I installed a plugin called Epic. See, here is the plugin. So this is you can use for blog. So if you want to edit your blog page, go to the page and edit with Elementor. See, this is blog page and edit with Elementor. Just a bit. So here is your blog page. So if you don't like this layout, you can simply delete this using this cross, and you can use new section. See here, then click the plus icon and search here Epic. All of them are Epic module. See, lots of module, and you can choose a layout from here. If you need too much simple, like you can use this one, just drag and drops here. So here is the layout. If you don't like it, then simply you can cross and add a new, and then again place and search Epic. And here is a lot of layout. Again, simply drag and drop. See, here is your blog post. So you can edit your blog with like this. Thank you so much.